Okay, hi everyone! We're in today's video. My hair is looking so funky. Anyway, in today's video, I want to take you guys with me while I make Pinterest-inspired recipes. Starting off, I'm going to be making these blueberry croissants. They look super good, super delicious. I'm going to have that for breakfast with eggs. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like all these new recipes. These are all recipes I'm cooking for the first time. So we'll see what we're in for. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Be part of the village, be part of the family. If you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. And with all that being said, let's get into this cooking video. guys. Okay, so today for the Pinterest inspired recipe, I've been in this super big like cookie kick, I guess, if you want to say. I decided instead of continuing to spend like however much money that I don't really care to share because I'm a little ashamed of insomnia cookies, which I have been doing, I'm just gonna bake some cookies and hopefully they turn out pretty good. So for today's recipe, I'm gonna be making peanut butter oatmeal cookies. I'm really looking forward to this one, like super looking forward to this one. So if they don't come out good, I'm gonna be kind of sad. Thank you guys so much for watching this far into the video. If you were watching this far into the video, let me know what your favorite recipe is so far. Let's get into it. So I never came and ended the video, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and please let me know what your favorite recipes are, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.